Asking questions in a grocery store. A shopper asks where to find grocery items. Conversation 1. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the bread? Store employee: The bread is in the bakery. Shopper: Okay. Thank you. Conversation 2. Shopper: Excuse me, where are the oranges? Store employee: The oranges are in the produce section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 3. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the milk? Store employee: The milk is in the dairy section. Shopper: Okay, thanks. Conversation 4. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the chicken? Store employee: The chicken is in the meat section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 5. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the rice? Store employee: The rice is in aisle 5. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 6. Shopper: Excuse me, where are the potatoes? Store employee: The potatoes are in the produce section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 7. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the ground beef? Store employee: The ground beef is in the meat section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 8. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the sugar? Store employee: The sugar is in aisle 3. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 9. Shopper: Excuse me, where is the salmon? Store employee: The salmon is in the fish and seafood section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 10. Shopper: Excuse me, where are the bananas? Store employee: The bananas are in the produce section. Shopper: Thank you. Conversation 11. Shopper: Excuse me, where are the frozen peas? Store employee: The frozen peas are in the frozen food section. Shopper: Okay, thank you.